Hey folks, welcome to ShopOS. This video will cover a quick walkthrough of how our BigHead agent works, which helps you get cited in AI engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude. You can find our BigHead agent inside the discovery phase. You can click on the agent and see what the jobs it can do. It can extract prompts for you. It can find the current visibility in different engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude, and generates the relevant content as well as publishes that content so that AI agents can crawl your data. Let's go ahead and see what are the right prompts for your brand. Right now, I have a brand which is a TV projector brand, soundbar brand, which for which we are trying to extract the prompts. You just need to click the prompt extraction run there, and it will start the prompt extraction workflow for you. After a minute, you will see the relevant prompts for your brand coming up inside an artifact where you can check what are the category level prompts, what is the grounding, and what are the brand level prompts here. Then you can simply ask the agent or click directly here to run an audit. The agent first finds the target market for your brand and then runs a light audit. When you feel the prompts are right and the audit is what you are expecting from, you can simply go ahead and ask the agent to run a deep audit. Let's see how this works. After a minute, you'll see a very detailed audit that comes for your brand. How are you ranked across your competitor? What is your overall scoring across geo scoring, AI visibility, your prompt coverage, your tiers of visibility, and the brand queries that we have cited for? It also gives you a engine level breakdown, what worked for you, what isn't working for you, and for each prompt, which are the engines that are citing you, right? So these are the quick audit report. You can also ask the agent go ahead and ask for a deep audit where you'll also get a page wise breakdown. Let me just try to do that. So let's run a deep audit. Once you ask the agent to run the deep audit, it will ask you to sit tight for 5 to 7 minutes as we do a much deeper analysis here, checking your citability, your EEAT scores, your schema, your crawler access, as well as your overall platform readiness. So let's see how your deep audit looks like. Once you run a deep audit, it will give you another artifact which basically breaks down against your competitors, your AI engines, whatever we existed in the light audit. But you can check a deep audit across whatever your technical limitations have been, how much your score breakdown across the EEAT scores. Can the AI bots get in? What is your page citability and much more. And it also start giving you recommendation on each and every bit of how do can you start improving those. So this is what once the deep audit is done. Now, since you know your weaker points, what are your citability gaps, what is your crawler access and schema issues, and also the weaker EEAT signals, you can know what to do from here, what right thing to do, and then start generating the content on your weaker spots. So I'll simply click on generate content. It will find what is right for me and what is wrong for me and start generating content on the bit. So as you can see, the agent has asked, do you want to target category level prompts, brand level prompts, or product level prompts? So I just want to say, let's go for brand level prompts, as if somebody mentions my brand, then I should definitely show up. So now it will go ahead and find whatever the 6 prompts that were relevant to the brand and start generating content for them. Now you can see that the agent has published 6 articles for the brand where how the buyers have been, what buyers have been searching. It has been finding the relevant links that your brand is likely to get more cited on, what are the key takeaways, and also writing few FAQs and their answers which people have been writing in these AI engines. So this is how the agent works. Once you have done the content generation, you can simply go ahead, find out if you want to make any changes, and you can simply click on publish. Now when you click on publish, it will ask you for some configurations that you need to follow for setting up a domain, which will be like geo.yourbrand.com. So as it asks, your domain name is not connected. You just need to quickly go and fix that first. So I could simply go ahead and ask geo.shopOSAI.com, and I could add a domain, or I could, for example, I was doing it for Lumio, so I could simply go ahead and ask geo.lumio.co as well. So yeah, it sets up the codomain. What you need to do is go ahead and add these DNS records to your provider. What you need to do is just go in your CNAME, copy this, and then copy this value, and we can again try come and publish the domain again. How you can track everything what has happened here is also have another view. So what you can do is just come to the agents page. You can go ahead and select BigHead, and then you can go up to a whole dashboard view where it tells you what the audit is, a quick summary of your issues, what is your technical health, the different dimension scores, your competitors, whatever the prompt results, whatever the prompts you guys are tracking is what you can find everything here. Another thing which is there is once the AI has started looking for your website, you can start seeing the bot crawls. If OpenAI, Perplexity, all these are tracking your bots, then you can find everything here in the dashboard itself. There's a prompt view where you can find all the active prompts. You can add the prompts if you want through AI suggestions as well as manual. You can track whatever content that has gone out or whatever is review as of now. You can see a published date and also the custom domain configuration that is needed. So right now, as we mentioned, geo.shopwayai.com as one of the domain, we need to go ahead, follow these steps and find out and start publishing the content on these domain. Once you start publishing the content, it will be visible on this domain and the agents will start crawling this within a week or so. You can go ahead and also start scraping your products by giving up your website here. And you can ask if you want to scrape the whole full catalog or single product. This helps the agent to write your agent level, product level context, SKU level context, as well as new collection level context. You can simply go ahead and track everything on this dashboard, whatever your audits have been and whatever the scores, how it has changed over time. You can check through multiple audits. So yeah, this is what the BigHead agent is. If you are interested and if you want to know more about this, just simply contact shopos.ai.